Today, we're diving into the world of planking. No, not the internet meme from the early 2000s, but the core blasting exercise that promises to transform your body. So what actually happens when you plank for 5 minutes every day? Let's dive into the details and find out together. First things first, let's get into what a plank is. Essentially, it's the exercise version of trying to be a coffee table. Imagine you're holding up the world's most fragile glass of water on your back. That's the level of stability we're aiming for. You get into a push-up position, but instead of going up and down, you just stay there. It sounds easy until you hit the 10-second mark and your body starts questioning all your life choices. You start off confident, but then your arms start to shake, your core starts to burn, and you realize 5 minutes is a lot longer than it seems. Now, let's talk about what happens to your body when you commit to 5 minutes of planking every day. Spoiler alert, it's a lot more than just making you feel like a human ironing board. First up, core strength. Think of your core like the foundation of a building. If it's weak, the whole structure wobbles. Planking strengthens your core, so you can finally sit up straight without looking like a wilted flower. After a few weeks, you'll notice your abs getting tighter and stronger. So get ready to say goodbye to that muffin top and hello to a six-pack, or at least a solid 2-pack. Baby steps, right? Next, planking does wonders for your posture. If you spend your days hunched over a computer like a digital age Quasimodo, planking can help straighten you out. Your mum was right, stand up straight. You'll not only look taller and more confident, but you'll also avoid those nasty back pains that come from bad posture. You'll walk into a room and people will think you're a whole new person, standing tall and proud. Speaking of back pain, planking is a lifesaver. It strengthens your back muscles without putting too much pressure on your spine. Perfect for when you've been binge watching Netflix in bed and your back feels like it's made of rusty hinges. After a few weeks of consistent planking, your back will feel more like a well-oiled machine and less like a creaky door. No more groaning every time you get up from the couch. And let's not forget about flexibility. Planking stretches your shoulders, shoulder blades, and hamstrings. You might not turn into a human pretzel, but touching your toes without bending your knees will no longer be just a distant dream. Imagine the look on your yoga instructor's face when you finally nail that forward fold. Priceless. But planking isn't just a physical challenge, it's a mental one too. Holding that position for 5 minutes tests your endurance and patience. It's like trying to sit through a commercial break during your favorite show, pure torture, but you know it's worth it. Pro tip: distract yourself. Sing a song, count backward from 100, or imagine you're on a beach sipping a cocktail. Anything to keep your mind off the fact that your muscles are screaming. Planking also improves your balance and coordination. By engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously, you're training your body to work as a cohesive unit. This is especially beneficial for athletes or anyone looking to improve their overall physical performance. So whether you're a weekend warrior or just looking to not trip over your own feet, planking has got you covered. Let's talk metabolism. Planking is a great way to boost it. By building muscle, you increase your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even when you're not working out. That's right, plank every day and you might just be able to indulge in that extra slice of pizza without the guilt. Surprisingly, planking can also help with stress relief. Holding the position requires focus and concentration, which can help clear your mind and reduce anxiety. It's like a mini yoga session, minus the incense and chanting. Who knew staying still could be so relaxing? Alright, before we wrap up, here are some quick tips to help you master the 5-minute plank challenge. 1. Start slow, begin with shorter durations and gradually increase your time. Even if you can only do 30 seconds at first, that's okay. The key is consistency. 2. Stay consistent, make planking a daily habit. Set a reminder if you need to. Even if you can only do a minute at first, keep at it. Consistency is key. 3. Form is everything, make sure your body is in a straight line, no sagging or arching. Pretend there's a string pulling you from your head to your heels. Proper form prevents injuries and ensures you're getting the most out of your plank. 4. Engage your core, don't just rely on your arms. Engage your core muscles to hold the position. This is what makes the exercise effective. 5. Breathe, don't hold your breath. Keep breathing steadily. This helps you stay in the position longer and keeps your muscles oxygenated. And remember, it's okay to shake and tremble. That's just your body's way of saying, hey, we're getting stronger here if you need to rest. That's perfectly fine. Just drop to your knees for a few seconds, then get back up and continue. So, there you have it. What happens to your body when you plank for 5 minutes every day? It might be challenging at first, but stick with it and you'll be amazed at the results. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay strong, stay steady, and keep planking.